life I've always wanted to have one day for myself. Not waking up with a pile of work on every shelf, with no hands in need of pressing and no sleeves in disarray. No wedding gown with 1,000 stitches to crochet, and no debt to pay.
Madam Carp.
If I want to have my breakfast hot, Madam Carp will make me pay. And I have to fetch the eggs myself in the barns and boil away. It's cold and wet, yet still I get an omelette on my plate. But in my head I'm back in bed, snuggled up and sleeping late. I'm just like you, you're just like me. There's somewhere else we'd rather be. Somewhere that's ours, somewhere that dreams come true. Yes, I am a girl like you. You'd never think that it was so, but now I've met you and I know it's plain as day, sure as the sky is blue, that I am a girl like you. Once a lass met a lad, you're a gentle one, said she. In my heart I'd be glad if you love me for me. You say your love is true, and I hope that it will be. Would I be the one you're seeking? Will I be the one you choose? Can you tell my heart is speaking? My eyes will give you clues. And you're always free to begin again. And you're always free to believe. When you find the place that your heart belongs, you'll never leave. I can see it when you're feeling low, you can't hide that from me. You're no status quo calico, so I keep trying to be. 'Cause you're more than that, you're a doggish cat. I wish you could see the you I see.
Nay.
I say, if you bark, celebrate it, make your mark, serenade it. Noah's Ark should have had a cat like you. And if what you are is a strange you, doesn't mean you should change. You only means you should change your point of view.